This is Daniel Rodriguez with Coverage to Care, talking today about Medicare Part B specifically. We're going to cover a couple of topics, specifically what does Medicare B as in boy cover, how much does it cost, and when do you sign up for Medicare Part B? So we're going to take those one by one. Let's start with what does it cover. Medicare Part B as in boy basically covers your doctors and your specialist. That's a main component of it. But it also covers other things such as outpatient therapy, durable medical equipment, also known as DME. Those are like your oxygen tanks, your wheelchair, prosthetics, different things of that nature that you would find at your medical supply stores. So, when do you enroll into your Medicare Part B? When do you sign up? You basically have a 7-month window once you turn 65. It's 3 months before the birth month that you turn 65, 3 months after that, and your birth month, for a total of 7 months. So 3 months before, 3 months after, and your birth month equals 7 months when you can enroll into Medicare Part B. Now, there are some special qualifications that might get you at different times of the year if you miss that window. If you miss that Medicare Part B window when your initial enrollment period, you could do what they call a general enrollment window period, and that's January 1st to March 31st of every year. It won't be active until July of that year, but that is one window you can do. There are also special enrollment periods that you can get your Medicare Part B. Let's say you're leaving your company insurance, your group coverage, and it had credible coverage. That next month you can start beginning your Medicare Part B. So there are different things. It's always good to talk to your local Medicare, licensed Medicare professional to kind of give you a little bit more guidance specific to your needs on that and when you qualify, and Social Security as well. You can call them, you can write them, you can go in person. So you got a couple different options. How much does Medicare Part B cost? The average American pays for the year 2020 $144.60. Now, you may have friends that pay more than that. You might have friends that pay less than that. You might even hear people that say, I don't pay for anything for Part B. Those are all correct answers. It depends on your circumstances. The average American does pay $144.60 every month for your Medicare Part B, but there's a whole list of reasons of why you could be less or more. In short, if you're paying more than that, it has to do with the IRMA law, income-related monthly adjustment, and you might be paying a lot more. It just depends. Remember, IRS looks back 2 years. So when you go to Social Security, they'll be able to tell you exactly how much you're going to pay for your Medicare Part B. There are special qualifiers. If you have Medicare and Medicaid or need extra assistance, you might pay $0 for that Medicare Part B, or a little bit less than $144.60. So a couple different factors. Social Security will be able to give you the exact number that you will pay for your Medicare Part B. Important thing to note before I go is that there is a Part B deductible, and that is $198 for the year 2020. What that means to you is before the government kicks in their 80%, you have to meet that deductible and pay that $198. Then you start paying your 20% and the government starts paying their 80%. Always make sure to talk to your licensed Medicare professional in your area, such as myself. You can always go to coveratocare.com to find out some more information, or contact me directly on here.